Today, we're going to demonstrate an example of using the for each loop in Engini. The for each loop activity automatically iterates through each element in a data list and executes a set of activity blocks for each element. This is one of the most important and frequently used actions in workflows, especially when manipulating data to meet specific requirements and needs. In this example, we'll retrieve a few opportunities from Salesforce and store the customer-related emails from those opportunities. The workflow will be triggered manually, but it can always be set to run on a schedule or triggered by a webhook. First, we'll use the getRecords action to fetch some opportunities from Salesforce. Then, we'll initialize an empty variable of an array type to store the emails from all the retrieved opportunities. Next, we'll use the for each loop action, which will iterate over the opportunity data list we fetched. During each iteration, we'll append the email to the emails variable we initialized. At the end, we expect to see all the emails stored in our local variable. With this array of emails, you could, for example, loop through them and send a message to each customer. Now, let's test the workflow. After running the workflow, you can view the output. You'll be able to move through the iterations of the for each loop action and see how, with each iteration, another email is added to the emails array. This example uses a small number of opportunity elements, but you can always scale it up to handle larger datasets and retrieve relevant information based on your needs. And that's it. To summarize, we've learned how to use the for each loop to iterate through data, store results in a variable, and utilize the data for further actions in our workflow. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need assistance. And thanks for watching.